if you want to add fingerprint on Google Pixel 10a, what you need to do is you need to go to settings. Next, over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and then we need to go to the security and privacy. After that, go ahead and choose the device unlock, and remember that you need to have a screen lock password created to be able to use the fingerprint. So we're gonna select fingerprint in here, enter your screen lock password, and then we're gonna scroll down in here and tap on I agree. And now we can press start. In here we have our sensor, so we need to touch it with our finger that we want to scan, and then lift your finger. Then touch again and lift, touch and lift, and so on and so forth until this circle is filled with the color. Now you want to scan your finger from as many angles as possible from every side, so just keep touching and try to, you can also use these suggestions that you can see here above the sensor. There you go. Let's use the right edge. Alright, we are done. Of course, if you want to, you can add another fingerprint by using the add another fingerprint option. And if you are done, then you can just tap on the done button. You can also set up the face unlock right after that, but it is not really necessary. Leave a like and subscribe.